you see that all these big networks, their ratings were atrocious. ABC has let's put it this way, the Fox News channel had more viewers watching than NBC broadcast, double the number. They had almost 1 million more viewers than CBS, almost 1 million more than ABC. I mean, and you look at primetime. The American people are fed up what they're doing to this country. They see this for what it is. We've got the transcript. You know, the hearsay, triple hearsay, quadruple hearsay, my cousin of my uncle of my brother of his grandfather's son's nephew said this, and that's why I came to that conclusion, you know, is hardly any information that would bring this country to the brink. And if they really love this country, they would stop doing this, because this is now 3 solid years of non-stop witch hunt, lies, and conspiracy theories and attacks against the president because they couldn't beat him, and they didn't think they'd lose, and that they didn't get Mueller to do what they wanted him to do.
Yeah, listen, it's the same crowd, right? It's Adam Schiff, it's Nancy Pelosi, it's the New York Times. The New York Times drove irresponsibly the Russia collusion narrative for 2.5 years, and then when it disappeared, they went, oh well, we'll move on to something else. They never even retracted the stories that James Comey intelligence community told them were false. They never retracted them, even though that's a requirement under journalism ethics. But let me tell you about one thing that's important to the New York Times. After they took a shot at me in yesterday's story, they did me a favor. Because for 6 months, Democrats and their media allies keep saying, well, Prosecutor General Lucenko, after he gave that interview on tape to me, he recanted. Well, guess what? No one who claimed that actually went and interviewed the guy. I did. I went back and re-interviewed him 6 times. Did you recant? No, I'm sticking by exactly what I said. The New York Times finally interviewed him a month ago. Now, they held it for a month, but they slipped it into the story about me yesterday, and you know what they found out? They found out what I found out. Mr. Lucenko stands by what he says. He is adamant. Ambassador Yovanovitch gave him a list of names of people not to prosecute when he met her the first time. She denies it, but she can't deny that her embassy repeatedly pressed Ukrainians not to prosecute cases, even independent of that meeting. So my story's been confirmed after 3 or 4 months of me taking a lot of pokes, claiming that I was wrong. It's pretty remarkable that the New York Times buried that in the 20th draft of my story.
So you're saying that they're confirming what the prosecutor general said. How come everybody that talks about this says he recanted? Where did he recant?
Talk to him. There was a single Ukrainian newspaper. And listen, if you're a journalist in America, you know you probably should do more than just rely on a Ukrainian news report. You should go to it. The New York Times finally